Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The Honorable my supervisor, Dr. Sir Sahrial MA and Dr. Sir Dedi Sofian M.Hum. The Honorable my examiners, Ma'am Gita Mutiara Hati MPD and Sir Ildi Kurniawan MPD. Today, I would like to present my seminar results about students' perceptions towards the use of Kuiper School as a media in learning English during COVID-19. Before I start to present my seminar results, let me introduce myself. My name is Ruyal Tania. I am a student English Education Department, University of Bengkulu. I have divided into 4 parts. The first part is introduction, second literature review, third methodology, and the last is result and discussion. Chapter 1, Introduction. 1.1, Background. Development of technology comes with all the information that all people in the world can explore. Therefore, information provided impacts the world of education through information which is obtained by the media as a learning tool that can be accessed easily via smartphones, tablets, and laptops. Besides, as part of these schools and other institutions which are supposed to prepare students to live a knowledge society, need to consider integration of information, communication, and technology or ICT integration in their curriculum gave year 2012. COVID-19. The world is facing COVID-19, which according to Roxby 2020 is a disease spreading in multiple countries around the world simultaneously. The impact of the COVID-19 given in the world of education is enormous and horrible. The Ministry of Education and Culture in Indonesia showed that during COVID-19 period, students were required to study at home since schools and universities are closed. Therefore, teachers and lecturers apply distance learning system. Kuiper School. According to Moran 2015, the use of Kuiper School aims to revolutionize the way people learn and share knowledge by leveraging the mobile internet. Students work on the teacher question by assessing Kuiper School as a platform and working on the teacher assignment. The main reason for researching student perception of using Kuiper School as an online learning is compared to other online learning platforms such as Edmodo, Kahoot, Moodle, Google Classroom, and others. Teachers at SMA 8 use Kuiper School as preferred online learning platform when COVID-19 appeared in Indonesia. It is important to know about the perception of students who use Kuiper School because they want to see the effectiveness of learning process carried out by the teacher through Kuiper School website during COVID-19 period, which can be seen by students and teachers with a level of difficulty that has advantages on the Kuiper School site. Material. In learning material delivery, a teacher uses a digital school platform applied through learning methods to make it more efficient for students. At the time of the COVID-19, SMA 8 Bengkulu City applied Kuiper School platform learning methods. Kuiper School is a free online platform for teachers and students. It unfortunately happens since innovation in learning methods continue to develop in the COVID-19 situation. Students initially use Kuiper School for 3 months, the learning process, and after that, the teacher used Google Classroom as a digital school learning platform. Perceptions. The challenge with using Kuiper School in this research, there are more learning platforms with more sophisticated features that are open source or free. Then Kuiper School is only an additional learning media position because in fact the English teacher SMA 8 said that she used it for only 3 months that during COVID-19. In this study, the condition is that SMA 8 students began to enter school and learn face-to-face by following health protocols. Therefore, the researcher wants to know student perception of the use Kuiper School during online learning and how often students use Kuiper School as an additional learning media. Distance learning. This distance learning indeed affects students and requires teachers to understand the students' condition regarding the difficulty of accessing Kuiper School website in sending assignment with an unstable internet connection and lack of motivation due to adaptation process of using Kuiper School as a learning media platform. Furthermore, Liao 2007, the main construct that make e-learning the most promising educational technology includes service, cost, quality, and speed. This study shows teachers' challenge to provide adequate distance learning innovation and make students be interested in using Kuiper School to learn English. 1.2 Statement of the problem. Based on the previous background of the issues above, the researcher identifies some problems as follows. First, students need more alternative research for learning, but they have difficulty understanding the material and operating it. 1.3 Research question. First, what are student perception of using Kuiper School as an online learning platform in learning English during COVID-19? 1.4 Objective of the research. First, the purpose of this study is to determine students' perception of using Kuiper School platform during COVID-19 situation. 1.5 Limitation of the problem. This research focused on 11th grade IPA students at SMA 8 Bengkulu City in the academic year 2020 or 2021. The researcher will study at the use Kuiper School as an online learning platform, focusing on the main aspect, the analysis of students' perception of using Kuiper School. 1.6 Significance of study. First, for teacher. Teachers can evaluate the learning media used with Kuiper School to know that the advantages of online learning platform. Second, school principal. The school principal adjusts the online learning used by students and teachers with the existence of Kuiper School as a platform to become a suitable learning media for students according to the curriculum 2013 or K13. 1.7 Definition of the key terms. First, Kuiper School. Kuiper School is a media used by teachers for distance learning based on the material and learning assignment to be delivered. Kuiper School is a medium of instruction for helping teachers achieve their teaching learning objective. Second, perceptions. Perception is a process of interpreting sensory data through our sense. 2.1 Teaching and learning process conduct during COVID-19. The impact of human is not only from health but also the economy and education. Education that is useful for continuing the nation generation with the learning pandemic's impact is less effective because there is no direct direction between teachers, lecturers, and students. Effective mitigation and preparedness can significantly reduce the threat posed by disaster, and a post-disaster response will help to reduce the impact of disaster in both economic and social sector of a country. Tayaparan et al. 2014. Government regulation that apply health and education. Education that applies a direct learning system or applies a group learning system must implement health protocols. The learning plan for each subject with the presence of COVID-19 is a change to distance learning and teaching system. The order and design of learning have also changed along with COVID-19 prevention and governance by practicing health protocols, Pamungkas and Wahyudi 2020. The role of parents also affects the existence of COVID-19 on children learning at home. Teachers are immediately adapt to develop effective learning media during COVID-19. According to Arshad 2007, the practical benefits of the use of interactional media in teaching and learning process as follows. First, media study may clarify the presentation of message and information so as to facilitate and exchange the learning process and result. Second, the media can enhance learning and direct the child attention so that it can lead to motivation to learn, more direct interaction between the students and the environment, and the possibility of students to learn on their own according to their ability and interest. Third, learning media can overcome the limitation of the sense, space, and time. Fourth, instructional media can provide a common experience for students about events in the environment as well as enabling direct interaction with teachers, community, and environment. Example, through field trips, visit to museum or the zoo. Teaching and learning process into 7 components from Giono 1997 as follows. 1. Students. Students is seeker, the receiver and saver of the subject material need to achieve the goal. In teaching and learning process, the students are the ones who seek for knowledge from the teacher. They receive the material that the teacher gives to them, which is then saved for future use. The material or skill they have are used to achieve the goal which has been set and stated in the beginning of the lesson. 2. Teacher. Teacher is the manager of teaching and learning activities and the teaching and learning catalyst. He also holds other roles in making teaching and learning process go effectively. 3. Goal. Goal is a statement about the intended change which could be achieved the following certain in teaching and learning process. This change involves the effective cognitive and psychomotor areas. The goal of the teaching and learning process should be realistic and suit with the needs of the students. 4. Material. Material is the amount of information about the facts, principle, and concept which are need to achieve the goal. The material used in the process of teaching and learning should be suitable with the subject being learned and also the students' knowledge. 5. Method. Method is the way giving a chance to students to get the information which is need to achieve the goal. The material used in the process of teaching and learning should be suitable with the subject being learned and also the students' knowledge. 6. Media. Media is a device used for conveying the information for students so that they can achieve the goal easily. By using media, it is expected the students will be more interested in the subject they learn. 7. Evaluation. Evaluation is a certain way used for evaluating the process and its result. It is given to all of the teaching and learning components, and it also gives the feedback to teaching and learning components. 2.2. Media as a learning tool. Definition of media. Media is a learning tool because the media get information and attracts students to learn using media as a learning facility tool. According to Putra 2013, state that media is a channel from the transmitter to the recipients. Learning innovation continues to develop with the assistance of media used as learning facilities, and teachers can continue to update the development of technology used as a means of learning methods applied to students. Media is one of the more straightforward tools of the teacher to deliver the material to the students. When a teacher uses media for teaching, the teacher has chosen the best way for teaching. Besides, teaching by using media can be more comfortable received by students. The teacher is a facilitator and motivator for the students. As the motivator, the teacher uses media to make the students happy and enjoy learning. When the teacher uses media, the teacher will use two things to meet a facilitator and motivator. So the teacher will be helpful in teaching by using media. English teachers should be more creative in using learning media virtually. Students can follow technological development that have been directed by the teacher as a medium for learning English on an ongoing basis. Teachers who become creative with the use of media apply in learning. English teachers should be more creative in using learning media virtually so that students attract attention to technology, exploration, and effective teaching and learning activities. Shahrial et al. 2020. They can make students more enjoy and enthusiastic in participating in learning, hoping for innovation in education. 2.3 Online learning. Definition of online learning. Online learning is any platform used by students and teachers to follow learning via the internet. Distance learning is deliberately designed for students to receive information, material, and assignment given by the teacher through the teacher digital school platform as a learning media. Besides Rosette 2002, online learning has many benefits, but it takes commitment and resource, and it must be done right. Online learning is a challenge for teachers who should be right on platform as a learning media, and students have their respective obstacles to online learning. Advantages of online learning. According to Evans and Fan 2002, who suggests that there are three main advantages to online learning. First, learner determine location for learning, whereby students can choose their place of study. Second, learner determine time of learning. Students can organize their learning schedule rather than having for study at a specific day at a specific time. And finally, third, learner determines study pace. Students can set their study pace without being held up by slower students or vice versa. Disadvantages of online learning. There are several disadvantages of online learning, namely, first, they are consuming internet data quota and weak internet signals depending on location. In online learning, internet data quota also requires a fee to buy it so that the access internet network with the good internet network makes it easier for students to interact with teachers and other students. Second, lack of mentioning health, especially eyes. Students also have to take care of their health because when online learning begins, students face laptops, handphones, or tablets that are frequently not good for health. Third, lack of social interaction. Social interaction also affects students' habit. According to Patrick 2002, study on learners' perspective on web-based learning also report that some participants felt a lack of immediacy in response in the online learning context compared to what could typically occur in structured face-to-face class discussion. Fourth, lack of time management. Time management is indispensable for online learning because students should also be disciplined toward the work done and collect properly. Not only are assignments submitted on time, but students' attendance should also be on time. 5. Limit time for giving opinion. Many students' opinions on online learning make it time limit to give opinions according to the teacher learning plan. Moreover, students become more active in interacting with teachers personally outside of online learning hours, giving opinion and asking good questions if there are difficult. Example of online learning platform. First, Google Classroom. Google Classroom is developed by the company Google with an academic goal of supporting on online learning platforms. This application is not only via mobile phones but can be via Google Classroom website which is easy to use. Second, Moodle. The Moodle learning management system is the more powerful and effective learning management system than the Blackboard learning management system according to Mercado and Tao 2007. In addition, Sulamit 2012 model focus on giving educators the best tools to manage and pronounce learning and allow teachers to organize, manage, and deliver course materials. Third, Kahoot. Kahoot is a game and a quiz-based platform which is done using the total joining the game and quizzes by creating a classroom in Kahoot using the available pins. 2.4 Kuiper School. Kuiper School is one of the new media e-learning with open source. E-learning is a type of web media. E-learning is the most LMS activity, or it can be called that LMS is the backbone of e-learning activities. Since 2014, this media was launched and could be accessed by teachers and students. As the CEO of Kuiper School, Masayuki Watanabe, said that Kuiper School is designed to empower teachers and students by supplementing traditional methods with a powerful and exciting platform, but simple too. 1.1 My menu and submenu of Kuiper School. Here the explanation of features teacher role. A. Offer with submenu overview and performance will provide the brief information on the achieved assignment that the student will collect in this feature. B. Assigning with submenu assignment and examination. The teacher can create examination, share, and monitor the student progress. C. Curriculum feature. In this feature, there are two options for the teacher regarding the material. D. Message with submenu, message personal, and announcement. In this feature has two functions. First, personal message for receiving the message from the student. The second is the announcement. The teacher allows sending the information announcement or not all students. E. Manage with submenu, students, group, and teachers to make a group to make another group. Teacher's role have many features. It is different with student's role because student's role has limits features. There are only 3 features for the student assignment, message, and study notes. First, assignment with submenu to do. Try it and master. It is menu for the assignment that the student have to do. Second, message with a submenu, message notice allow the students to interact with friends and teacher. Third, study notes are for making personal notes based on the material or assignment. 2.5 Perceptions. Definition of perceptions. According to Hanna and Wozniak 2001, perception is the process of selecting, organizing, and interpreting sensation into a meaningful whole. Another writer like Kotler 1997 defined perception as the process by which an individual selects, organizes, and interprets information inputs to create a meaningful picture of the world. Perception process. According to Keong 2017, there are 3 stages of the perception process as follows. 1. Selection. Selection is the first stage in the process of perception. In this stage, the environmental stimulus turns into meaningful experience. Indicators of perceptions. According to Robin 2003, There are three kinds of perception indicators, namely, first, acceptance. The process of acceptance of reabsorption, two indicator of perception in psychology stage. It is about function of the sense is grabbing external stimulus. Second, understanding. It's meant as a result of analysis which is subjective or different for each individual. Third, evaluation. Evaluation is stimulus from the outside that has been grasped by the sense and then evaluated by individuals. This evaluation is very subjective. It will be different perception of each person in environment. Types of perception. There are many types of perception, namely person perception, social perception, and situation perception according to Zaden 1984. A person perception. Person perception refers to those processes by which we come to know and think about others, their characteristics, quality, and inner state. B. Situation perception. Social psycholinguistics views a situation as all the social factors that influence a person's experience or behavior or given time and given place. C. Social perception means that trying to understand people, whether they are personals, athletes, political, criminal, leader, entertainer, or love and closer to home is not an easy task. 2.6 Previous study. There are several sources from the previous study are that the first study is from Septinawati in 2020. Journal is a qualitative study entitled Students' Perception Towards the Implementation of Kuiper School as a Learning Platform in Teaching English. A qualitative study at Senior High School, Tasikmalaya, West Java. The population consists of two classes, 53 students, and using a cluster sampling technique. This is research use a questionnaire and interview instrument. The questionnaire has 10 positive statements and 10 negative statements about students' interest, motivation, expectation, ineffectiveness, and Kuiper School difficulties. Then the interview session was given after answering the questionnaire. This study aims to obtain in-depth information. It seems equally important to have more information and to know respond explore the advantages and disadvantages of implementing the current Kuiper School. The findings reveal that the students are comfortable learning with technology and also prefer to use IT. The second study was from Agustina in 2017. Journal is qualitative descriptive and study entitled Perception of Indonesian Teachers and Students on the Use Kuiper School as an online platform for extended EFL learning. A qualitative study at Senior High School, Mojokerto City, East Java. The samples are 6 students and 3 English teachers. This study aims to know perception of EFL teachers implemented Kuiper School as a platform for EFL students learning. This research used an interview guide. This question include in the interview refer to the safeguarding presented in the section and arranged conforming to the practice order. The result of the study showed that the Indonesian EFL teachers use the platform not only for coping with the limited time available for EFL teaching, but also due to the significant value of the platform to support all the students' EFL learning. The third study was from Auliana in 2017. The thesis is qualitative descriptive study entitled Teachers and Students Perception in Using Kuiper School in English Language Teaching and Learning at second grade of special class in SMA Budi Utomo Perak. A qualitative study at Senior High School Budi Utomo Perak, Jombang City. The samples are from class consists of 328 students and 4 teachers in second grade. This research instrument use questionnaire and interview guideline. This study evaluate student and teacher perception of Kuiper in English language teaching and learning and its benefit for ELT. The study revealed the student and teachers have positive perception regarding the use of Kuiper in English language teaching and learning. Most of the students agree that Kuiper assists them in learning English, especially reading and listening skills. Kuiper also can help to enhance students' motivation, confidence, and attitudes towards English language. The fourth study was from Fabianti in 2018. The thesis is Descriptive Mixed Method Study entitled Student Attitude Towards Kuiper School as an English Online Learning Media at SMA 1 Agam Makmur Bengkulu Utara. A Descriptive Mixed Method Study at SMA 1 Agam Makmur Bengkulu Utara. The sample of the research was 158 students. The instrument that was used in this research was questionnaire, which consists of 27 items. The result of this research shows that students had positive attitude towards Kuiper School as an English online learning media, with main score for all aspects was 3.76. The main score for cognitive aspect was 3.85. The main score for affective aspect was 3.71, and the main score for behavior aspect was 3.72. It means that students of SMA 1 Agam Makmur Bengkulu Utara generally have positive attitude towards Kuiper School as an English online learning media. Based on some the previous studies above, the researcher can conclude that the use of Kuiper School in Java and Sumatra School has a positive attitude and helps students and teachers as a media for learning English. Students are more comfortable learning using technology. The use of Kuiper School helps students motivate, confidence, and attitude towards the learning English based on perception of students who have been researched. Therefore, the researcher want to find out the students' perception of using Kuiper School as a learning media in Bengkulu City, SMA 8 School during the emergence of COVID-19 in Indonesia, and implementing an online learning system. Chapter 3, Methodology. 3.1, Research Design. This study used a descriptive qualitative research, which according to Creswell 2014, qualitative methods demonstrate a different approach to scholarly inquiry than methods of quantitative research. Qualitative research processes are similar to quantitative data that obtained based on phenomena in the classroom. According to Hancock 1998, qualitative research is concerned with developing explanation of social phenomena. It describes social phenomena as they occur naturally, as can be seen that qualitative research focuses on describing the phenomenon that occur naturally and present it based on the data on the field. 3.2, Subject of the research. The subject of this study was students of class S11 IPA 1 SMA 8 Bengkulu City in the academic year 2020 or 2021. Class 11 IPA 1 students were basically divided into 4 classes. In this study, class 11 IPA 1 wanted to be measured on how often they use Kuiper School as an additional learning media. For the interview based on the Creswell 1998, for the descriptive the qualitative research, sample size should be large enough to obtain enough data sufficiently describe the phenomenon of interest and address the research question, and the participants for interview are 20 until 30 interviews. Therefore, with the opinion of the students, the researcher wanted to find out more in-depth information through interview. In this study, the researcher only took 20 students out of 32 students class 11 IPA 1. 3.3, Instrument. 3.3.1, Interview Guidance. This study used an interview session via Google Form. The focus group of students would be given 10 open-ended question in the interview session. In addition, Ari et al. 2010 state that the open-ended question is a question that does not have fixed response alternative but allow response as he or she choose. The purpose of the interview was to find out student perception of using Kuiper School that had been experienced during COVID-19, while the reason for the students will be interviewed as well was because to know the perspective answer from the student side. Experience of using Kuiper School actually happened, it was really happening, and the students had any problem. Kuiper School suggests online learning media that is suitable to use by students and teachers during COVID-19. 3.4 Technique of data collection. 3.4.1 Interview. One of the data collection techniques in qualitative research was an interview. This interview aimed to collect information directly, not based on observation, but through question and answers between the interviewer and interviews. In this study, the researcher conduct semi-structured interviews since they wanted to know the development of the topics being discussed through the question that had been arranged, and the interviewers answered the question more flexibly. The semi-structured interview was useful in preparing and controlling questions that had been arranged through the answer which may develop unexpectedly. Therefore, it was essential to return the topic that are being discussed only. This study used Google Form as a media to complete the data from the overall interview result. After that, there are 10 items of interview question that will be answered by the respondents. The result of the interview that had been answered by the respondent are converted into transcript. 3.5 Technique of analyzing data. Based on Miles and Huberman in Educational Research in Sugiono 2011, after collecting the data, the next step was analyzing data as follows. First, data reduction. In the first step, the researcher present the data through the process of assessing the data by selecting, focusing, simplifying, and transforming the data. Data were collected from interviews and documentation to support research. The existence of this data reduction make it easier for the researcher to use it and the data become clear. Then the researcher focused on research interview question, namely about student perception of using Kuiper School as a learning media during COVID-19. Second, data display. In this second step, the data display was a clearly organized collection of the data information that will help draw conclusion from the data. The data display helped the researcher understand the data by means of events that were happening through student perception of using Kuiper School as a learning media during COVID-19. Data display in this study used table from interview question. Third, drawing conclusion and verification. In this research, the final step was drawing conclusion and data verification. The researcher made temporary conclusion and suggestion from the result of the data be obtained until they decide on the final conclusion obtained from the result of the data. Withdrawal data conclusion was the last step before the data reduction and data display were carried out. The result of the data were obtained as evidence in the presence of valid and consistent data conclusion for this study. 4.1 Result. Well, 4.1 Student assessment of student perception while using Kuiper School. Related to the preparation of students using Kuiper School, at first students were confused about how to log in and how to study. The teacher immediately told students on how to log in on the Kuiper School's platform. The teacher gave previous direction to students by entering a code and the Kuiper School platform that have been given by the teacher. The Kuiper School platform that students use was for the free one, not the paid tutoring. When students have logged into the Kuiper School platform, there were features or materials, collecting assignment and videos. Therefore, Students already knew what they want to do on the Kuiper School platform without giving direction. Teacher preparation in using Kuiper School was the teacher previously gave direction to students via WhatsApp platform on how to log in using the Kuiper School platform. After that, the teacher gave a code for free to students to log in the Kuiper School platform. Before starting the lessons, the teacher checked the attendance of the students through the WhatsApp platforms. The teacher explained beforehand what material would be discussed and the tasks that will be done through the WhatsApp platform. The teacher immediately gave assignment to the students through the Kuiper School platform and wait for the assignment from students who have submitted them. Table 4.2. The result of student perception data using Kuiper School. Table 4.2. The result of student perception data using Kuiper School. Based on the table above, there were 17 students who enjoy using Kuiper School as a medium for learning English because of particular factors, namely the features of the material that were easy to understand and had learning video features on Kuiper School platform that made easily students follow the learning process. However, the teachers implement Kuiper School and students use Kuiper School platform for only 3 months, while others have other answer. 3 students were not happy with using Kuiper School as a medium for learning English. Namely, there was no comment features if students want to ask questions or were not clear on the material and videos presented by students. In addition, the factor was not happy in using Kuiper School was the video features and on the Kuiper School platform as well. It was because when it accessed by students, it is consume a lot of quota, and students also had difficulty understanding the learning materials and videos presented by Kuiper School platforms. Regarding the question number 2A, students respond with various answers. 17 of them said the same opinion that using Kuiper School could motivate students in learning English because accessing Kuiper School could be anywhere and anytime, and also made students enthusiastic about learning English to increase vocabulary and grammar in English lessons, while others were not really motivated use Kuiper School as a medium for learning English because student motivation decreased to learn English using Kuiper School due to the lack of guidance and explanation about English material, which made students confused to understand it. For the question number 2B, students respond with various answers. 17 students would state that using Kuiper School way to access whenever they want because they only need to register an account on the Kuiper School platform and follow the direction from the teacher after they get a code from the teacher. After that, students could immediately access Kuiper School by following the correct procedures, but there were also students who were initially confused about registering for a Kuiper School account because they are not used to using Kuiper School platform. Students also had challenges from the Kuiper School platform, namely the available quota, internet networks, and time sharing in doing assignment, while others have different answers. 3 students said that they were still confused about accessing Kuiper School because they were still adapting to using Kuiper School. Regarding to the question number 3A, 17 of them state that using Kuiper School could help students learn English because the material present was easier to understand, while 3 students said that using Kuiper School could not help students in learning English because it made it more difficult for students to understand the explanation of the material, features, and videos. Therefore, students should learn more English vocabulary. to help students have difficulty understanding English learning materials and videos on the Kuiper School platforms. Table 4.3, the result of the selection of students using the learning platform during online learning. In the result of student selection for the Use Kuiper School, there were 20 students as a sample using an interview guidance via Google Form to determine student selection for the use of Kuiper School as an English learning medium during the COVID-19 period, or see Appendix 3. The use of Kuiper School during COVID-19 lasts for 3 months. In Table 4.3 regarding student selection for the use of Kuiper School and other platforms, there were 15 students who had chosen Kuiper School as an English language learning medium during COVID-19 and 5 other students who choose the Google Classroom and Zenius platforms. Toward the question number 3b, students responded with various answers. 15 students shared the same opinion that students prefer to use Kuiper Schools compared to other platforms because the material and video features were easy to understand, could motivate students to learn English well, and was not only intended for school students in collecting assignments, but besides it was also used platform for paid online tutoring for its users. In addition, there were 5 students shared the similar opinion that they prefer Google Classroom and Zenius as English learning media. Students choose the Zenius platform as an English learning media because there were lots of free learning videos and practice questions, while students choose the Google Classroom platform because it was intended only for students who send assignment, and there was a comment of features that allow them to ask questions if the learning material students do not understand. 4.2 Discussion. The Kuiper School platform that the students use is the for free one, not the paid tutoring. When students have logged into the Kuiper School platform, there were features of materials, collecting assignments, and videos. Therefore, students already knew what they want to do on the Kuiper School platform without giving direction. From the findings of data about student perception about the use of Kuiper School as a learning media in English during COVID-19, based on the student perception, it was helped to understand the English lessons used by Kuiper School and not experience difficulty because previously directed by the teacher to use Kuiper School. In addition, Hannah and Wozniak 2001, perception is the process of selecting, organizing, and interpreting sensation into a meaningful whole. For the active problem here, there were students who were very active and some were only active occasionally access Kuiper School in online learning. This was because students who frequently access. Okay, I think that's all from me. Thank you for watching this video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.